everyone, welcome to this video. Student, as you all know that we are in chapter more on Windows 7. So you can see your chapter is chapter 2nd. This is more on Windows 7. I already given you one video of it. Today we are going to learn something more in this, just like we already learned about Windows Media Player. How to open Windows Media Player? We have to go on Start, then you have to go on Windows Media Player. You have to go on Accessory, All Programs first, okay, and then in All Programs you have to click on the Windows Media Player. Okay, so in Windows Media Player you can watch video, you can watch audio, you can listen to audios. Okay, so just like this video is there, you can see videos. Okay, these are the HD videos where you can see. Okay, so this is I'm closing now. Okay, so student, you learned about the Windows Media Player in the previous video. You learned about your searching option, how to explore pictures. For exploring the picture, we have to go on the Start, and then you can click on the pictures. Then explore picture option, picture library will come in front of you. Is it clear? And now today I am going to explain you about how to copy a pen drive. How to copy a file from your pen drive to your computer, okay, and how to copy a file from desktop to your pen drive. First of all, we need to put a pen drive in our this pen drive USB port. Okay, so here I put it the pen drive. Now it will show you me a message like continue. So it will show you an option like this. Then I will click on the folder. Okay, so here so many files are there. For example, this file I want to copy from here to, I want to copy a file from here to our class 5 folder, for example. So I will copy it, and then I will open that folder where I want it, and then I will paste there. So it will copy here. So this is how a file can be copied to somewhere in the computer system. Or in desktop also, if I want to copy in desktop, then also I can copy, paste. A file is already here, so either I can rename or either I can overwrite. So I'm renaming, so then two file will be there. One is of 10 roll number, one is of 10 roll number 2. Is it clear to everyone? So this is how you can copy. One more thing I want to explain you, how to copy a file from your desktop or from your any drive to your pen drive. So for example, I want to copy this file just like syllabus. Where is it? Yes, I want to copy this. I will right click on it. Okay, beta आपका right click and left click ताना चाहिए. This is your mouse and this is your right click and this is your left click. Okay, so I will right click on it and I will copy. Either I can copy, first I will show you how to copy a file to our pen drive. So pen drive, I can go to computer and I will click on my pen drive. Its name is USB Negi. Okay, and here I will paste. Click on paste. Is it clear? Or either one more option to copy a file to your pen drive, send your file to your pen drive. Just like for example, I want to send, wait a minute, this file, okay, to my computer. So I will send it, like I will send it. There is option of copy also, there is option of send also. Send to a pen drive. You see, so let's see, is it send it or not. Its name is worksheet 12 signs. Okay, so let's see. Here is a folder of a pen drive is already open, so I will see. So you can see worksheet 12 signs, it is already here because I send it from there. So there are the two options, how to send file and how to copy. You can copy also, you can cut also. If you don't want that file in your computer and you want only in pen drive, so you can cut and paste. If you want your file in your computer also, in your pen drive also, then you can copy. And send file is just like your copy also, but in send file, in copy file, you can place your file to a particular folder. Okay, but in send file, it will send only to a front portion of your pen drive. Is it clear? So this is the difference between that. Okay, so we learned about it. Okay, so student, let me show you one thing also. This is your taskbar. Okay, this is your taskbar. You can see this is your taskbar. Okay, so this is your taskbar where you can pin your favorite items or favorite icons. For example, I want to pin this. So what I have to do, I have to left click on it. Can you see this? I have to left click on this. So I will left click. Hold the left click. आप hold करेंगे अपने left click को and drag it. See, I'm dragging it and then drag it to the taskbar. So it is dragged and leave it. When you will leave, it will be stored in your. So when you will leave, it will store in your taskbar. Okay. If I want to unpin it, for example, so many icons are pinned here. So I want to unpin it. Okay. So if I want to unpin it, what I will to do, I have to click on that particular icon whom you don't want to unpin. So I will click on it, right click on it. Again I have to right click on it. Okay, right click on the icon on the taskbar. And then there is an option unpin the program. See, this program is unpinned from here. How to pin? Just you have to left click and then drag it to the taskbar. How to unpin? Just click on and just click on the unpin option. Right click and click on the unpin option. So I hope this is clear to everyone, how to unpin and unpin. One more thing I want to tell you about a window, any window you are opening. For example, just like your Microsoft Word you're opening. Okay, so there are the three options in the right side. Okay, ये three options है आपके right side में. So here one, this is called minimize, and this is called restore down, and this is called close. If I will click on the minimize, then this will minimize to the taskbar. Okay, all programs are minimized to the taskbar. Clear to everyone? All programs are minimized to the taskbar. If I will click on it again, I will left click on it, not right, left. Okay, it will, then again it will maximize. So let me show you a restore button. Here see, in a restore button, your screen will be, that window screen will be in a medium size, like it will be smaller than the desktop size. Okay, and if you want to restore it again, this is your restore, this is your maximize now. अब आप उसको maximize करना चाहते हो, if you want to maximize it, then you have to click on that middle button and then this will be maximized. Let me show you again. This is restore. Okay, that is restore and that is your maximize. Okay, it is your maximize. Clear to everyone? This is your maximize. Okay, so and this one is for close. Okay, close, you can also close the different windows in a different way. For example, Word window you can close like this also, just like from Office button, and you have to close. Okay, or either from this option also. As you close, it will show you the option, I want to see the file later, just like this. Okay, so this file is closed now. Okay, clear to everyone? This file is closed like this. Okay, so let me show you other thing also, like so many S3s are there. I told you, like you want to uninstall your program, any program you want to uninstall. The computer program uninstall कैसे होता है, let me show you. Just you have to go on control panel. Okay, control panel में आपको जाना होता है. You have to go on control panel, and then there is a option of programs. You can see there is an option of uninstall and uninstall a program. Okay, so I will click on the program. Then where I will to go, I have to go on uninstall a program. Any program you want to uninstall, then you can uninstall it. Okay, any program you want to uninstall, you can uninstall it. Clear to everyone? For example, I want to uninstall this if I want. Okay, if I want, then I will right click on it and click on the uninstall option. Then it will be installed after some time. Is it clear to everyone? I hope you all have cleared with it. Okay, so these are the things that we have to learn about. So many options, and now today I also want to show you features of computers, just like I want to show you just how to change your desktop. Desktop का जो background है, how to change it. So right click on it, right click and click on the personalize. You can also change the screen resolution also. You can change the, even these icon also you can change. If you will click on the large icon, you can see, so these icon will be in large. Okay, and these are not looking good, so I will make it in a, and if you will make it view in a medium icon, so these will be the medium form. So this is okay. Okay, these are okay. Okay, and now I want to personalize it somewhere, a desktop. I want to change my desktop settings, so I have to go on personalize option. So you can see this is done by me like this. Characters, this one is selected by me, this one I think landscape, this one is selected by me. Now I am selecting this option, that nature. Okay, so my desktop will be converted into nature pictures only. It will show the themes of nature. Okay, and so many things you can change, like you want to change the mouse pointer. Okay, change the mouse pointer. So there are so many options. Normally it is like this. Okay, next it is like this. You can customize your icon. You can change your icon, just like you can have the icon of pen. You can have icon of these icons, you can change. Okay, these are the icons. Okay, and pointer options, so many pointers are there. Wait a minute, let me show you. So many are browse. If you browse, so many options are there. These are all cursors. You can browse any cursor from it. So many are there. These are all browse arrow options. For example, I want to make my icon like, let me see, it have some interesting icon. So these icons are done. Okay, let me see. Okay, for example, I want to do the icon this one. Okay, I want to select this and then I will apply. See, this is my icon now. This is my icon now. Okay, so I saved this one nature screen. I have saved this. Now go to appearance and personalization. Here we can change theme. So I already told you, change the desktop background. So here you can change the desktop background like this. Any one of you can select. For example, I want to select this. Okay, so okay, save changes. Here we have to click. Okay, so this is what is done. Okay, sound screensaver also you can have screensaver in your computer system, just like there is none, but right now let me show you blank. When your screen will be closed, then it will be blank. Okay, bubbles, you can have bubbles, just like, okay, apply. Okay, so let's see the changes. See, background is changed. Now I'm for 2 minutes I'm just making my computer sleep. Okay, I'm not moving it for 2 minutes. So student, you can see after 2 minutes the bubbles are coming. These are called screen saver. It will save your screen. These bubbles will come in your screen as a screen saver. Okay, after 2 minutes, if you will not touch your computer, if you will not move your computer, if you will not do anything in your computer, then it will show you these type of screen savers. Okay, so many types of screen savers are there. Let me show you other also. So let me switch to other screen saver also, just like your screen savers from here, and so many are there, just like so many. Let me show you. These are the bubbles. These are the bubble saver. This one is your screen saver like this. This is a bubble Google photo screen saver. So it will show you the photo of the Google. It means the name of the Google. Okay, so this is your screen saver. Another is also Mystify. Mystify is like, let's see, this will be like this. Okay, this type of screen saver will come. Mystify. Okay, this name is Mystify. So next is your photos are there. It will show you the photos, whatever the photos in your library, it will show you those. Okay, so ribbons, let me show you the ribbons. So it will show you the ribbons in your screensaver. Okay, so we have the bubbles. That one is very good and I liked it. Okay, so bubbles are good. Okay, so this is what we have done it. So thank you everyone, keep watching the video. This chapter is almost finished with so many extra things, like how to copy the file from folder, like how to make a new folder. I have to show you how to make a new folder. One thing I have to show you, how to make a new folder. For making a folder in a desktop or anywhere, you have to right click on the empty space and blank space. Okay, where there is a space, you have to right click, you know, right click. Okay, then click on the new option and then click on new option. There is an option of folder. Okay, click on the folder, then see a new folder will come and you can rename it. Just for example, I want to rename it as a class 6. So class 6. Okay, so whatever the file I will make for you, I will save in a class 6 folder. So folder is a way of organizing the things in a with names. Okay, आप एक particular name के साथ आप अपनी files को you can organize in a computer system. So this is what you can do with the help of folder. Inside the folder also you can make a new folder. You can see you can make a new folder inside a folder. Okay, this is what you can organize your files with the help of folder. You can drag it anywhere, just like left click and hold it and drag it to anywhere and place it anywhere. So this is what at last I want to show you how to make a folder. Thank you everyone, keep watching the video and just take the Zoom class. Thank you everyone.